I don't know.
Leave me here, you were never good enough. Won't change a thing now, there was never trust.
Break it down, bag it up, fill it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up, bag it up. Oh, this shit put around the nigga, what's up?
Hey, so I looked around and everybody's like, whoa, this guy was off his ski in the water and the ski was far away from him. And then he's gonna tell me, hey, don't go right there, it's shallow. He hit a damn sandbar. Crazy boy. What happened? He's bleeding? Oh.
He's in love with who I am. Back in high school, I used to bust it to the dance. Now I hit the SVHO with duffels in my hands. I did half a sand, 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light, like a light, like
Ran those birds over. I had to brake. We got Evan's gas station marina on the water right now, okay? He charges $10 a gallon if you need water.
$5.
$5? Oh, you're giving out discounts today, huh?
Yeah.
$5. Only on the
Jet
water.
skiing, river.
Look at that. We're on Surfside right now, but look how the water changes. Like, look, that's Surfside. It's the ocean, but look. Look at that. Isn't that nuts? Man, that's some shitty ass water right here. Like you're like.
I actually like this. It's pretty damn.
No, what were you doing? Y'all running 60 miles per hour?
Yeah, what happened was all hot. The backside of the way. We decided we didn't want to be a part of it.
They don't want to be part of the group no more. They said, fuck this ski. And he said, I'm just going to let that ski go into the ocean, into the Gulf. And then Andrew had to come to the rescue. Somebody, for the first time, Andrew's rescuing somebody else. Versus him getting rescued.